let me stop playing with you. Are you high? He can't just come up here in our park and do whatever he wants to do. DMX Rue can't do that. He can't come up here to Drake Allah. I'll fix people. He can't do that. No. I'm not intimidated by DMX. I'm not intimidated. Oh no. I'm not intimidated by you, DMX. Do you know who I am? I'm Drake Allah. I am not intimidated. You don't get to speak to me ever again. Do you understand me ever again? You don't get to speak to me.